Okay, we're going to learn the fifth function. The four functions, operations are adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, and the fifth one is called composition. The composition of the function f with the function g is, here is the symbol for composition. It is a little circle. It looks like fog, but you read it f of g of x. There's two different ways to write it, using that little circle or parentheses, where g of x is nested inside f of x. So you're applying one function to another. So here I have two functions, and I'm asked to find g of f of 8. So that would be also written like this, g of f of 8. So let's just find f of 8 first. That means, oops, 8. Put 8 in for x, you get -2. So then I find g of -2. So that gives me 12 plus 4 plus 3 is 19. Let's do another one like that. F of g of -2. So I'm going to do g of -2 first. So that's going to give me 12. Minus 12 is 0, so I get -2. So then I find f of -2. Oh, I forgot the negative here, so that'd be 4, so that gives me 18. So f of g of -2 is going to be 18. Now, if there aren't any values for x, you can still evaluate the composition. So f composite g, or f of g of x, so it's also written like this, means you take the function g and you plug it in for every x and f. So it's a substitution. I take g and I put it in for every x and f, but there's only one x, so that's going to equal, let me just write it down here, -3, and x squared minus 2x minus 10 minus 2. There you go. Let's do one more. This is written g of f. So you take f, plug it in for the x in g. If x occurred more than once in g, you'd have to plug it in both times. So then that's just going to become a 34. And you're done. So go to Delta Math, do the composition of functions assignment. That should say 1019, not 110. And this is unfinished business.